Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Now I'm going to teach you how to use hyperlinks and how to use embedded commands. Embedded commands are just one way to write your commands. Not only that you could execute some of them, but you could combine them in two different ways. So let's write something to our screen. Okay, something like this. Let's say that I would like to center this text, but first I'm going to execute this. Okay, open our presentation window, and you see we have this paragraph in here. But if we want to center this text, we could do it in two different ways. With command centering. Now if I save this, you see we have different result. Or we could actually write command begin, center, and we are going to provide this text in the middle. If I execute this or if I save this, you see nothing is going to change. But now this text inside could also be used with different commands. Let me show you how to do that. Let's say that we would like to turn this Kind Spirit technology into larger text. Just use command large in this way. And if I save this, you see we have this text bigger. But in order to eliminate this second part, we are just going to say normal size. And if I save this, you see only Kind Spirit technology it's going to be bigger. And now we could do something else. We could turn this text into bold. How to do so? Inside of these curly brackets, provide another command. Text BF for bold. And wrap this part of text into this second pair of squiggly brackets. Now I'm going to save this, and you see now Kind Spirit technology, it's both large and bold, and you could actually italicize this text too. Text IT, wrap all of that, save it, and you see we have our desirable result. So whether you use with begin statement or in this way one command into another, it completely doesn't matter. You are going to get exact the same result. And now, as I promised, I'm going to show you how to use hyperlinks also with this piece of text. For that you are going to import another package called hyperref. So now I'm going to make some space, and command for links it's href, and in first pair of brackets as first argument I'm going to provide hyperlink to Kind Spirit Tech channel like this, and in second pair of squirrely brackets I'm going to provide actual text that is going to be presented. If I save this, so this text it's actually turned into hyperlink toward Kind Spirit Technology YouTube channel. So this is all for this episode, guys. I hope that you like this content, so please subscribe and see ya.